Every year we decorate our tree with our kids. I bought new ornaments that were long overdue for our decade-old ones, and of course, because I'm always behind, they arrived late. So here's a little makeover of our Christmas tree once they arrived.
Like a blanket?
I used some of the oranges I dried from our last video to hang in the tree as ornaments.
Oh my goodness, this one does not want to be hung.
Join us in our next video as I spruce up the mantle with greens from our yard. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays!